What's going on, everybody? Black Wolf here. So this is a market breakdown, right? You all know already. If you've been following me for a while, you should know that we do come here every Sunday to break the market down, right? So today I'm going to be breaking down US30, and I'm also going to be breaking down Xauusd, which is what I am currently looking at to trade this coming week, all right? So first of all, what do? We go up down to the daily time frame. Now, what do we do on a daily time frame? The first thing we do is to identify the direction of the market for the day. But right now, since this one is the weekly now, we will have to identify what the market will be doing for the week. So this is weekend, right? So as you can see, we have a higher highs, a higher low, and a higher high. So this candlestick is just like a retracement around this level. This candlestick is a retracement here. This candlestick is a retracement here. As you can see, we have that black candlestick here that comes down, leaving us a weak rejection. That is telling us that price is currently on a bearish move. But right now, based on this weak rejection that we're seeing, price is going to open and start heading to the upside. Or if the first candlestick opens Sunday night and start pushing to the upside, first of all, then just know that price is going to push to the upside and drop. Or if at all price push to the downside, then start leaving us a weak rejection, then just know that price is going to keep buying for that week. So now let's go to the daily time frame right now. Let me clean up this chart. So guys, before we continue on the daily time frame, listen to this video.
What's going on, everybody? I've been getting a lot of messages, both Instagram and Telegram, telling me to start a group mentorship. So I decided to start a 30 days bootcamp where I'll be taking you from beginner trader or a struggling trader to a profitable trader in less than 30 days, all right? So you're going to gain access to my 85% win rate strategy, a good risk trade and money management, and access to good trading psychology, and you also gain access to live trading every day, where we'll be going live every day to trade live. Not just that alone, guys, you also get access to everyday signals on US30, Xauusd, which is gold, then gbpusd and GG. All you need to do is to click on the link below this video and register, and you'll be redirected to after registration, you'll be redirected to join the group. So other than that, guys.
So on the daily time frame right now, what do we have here? As you guys can see, we have a series of higher highs here and a higher lows. We have the series of higher highs and a higher low, higher highs and also a higher lows right now, telling us that gold may be heading to the upside. So let's say we use our trend line right now. What is the daily time frame giving us? What is the trend line on the daily time frame giving us? I would have said, okay, let's draw a trend line from here, just like this, but at the same time, it's not looking that fair. So the first touch is going to be here, just like that, and the second touch is going to be here. Do you understand? So let me arrange it very well. So we have first touch, and we will also have a second touch. So right now on the daily time frame, we have a daily resistance around this level. I'm going to take this thing from this week rejection, not that I'm plotting it on the week rejection, but from the body of the week. So it's going to represent a resistance around this level here. Okay, so I'm going to change the color to, let's say, green. Let me use more darker. Okay, let me use blue. So right now, let's say on a daily time frame right now, we have this daily resistance just like this. So let's look for another key level. If we have another key level on the daily time frame, let's see. So let's say this is okay now. So let's, as you guys can see, we have what here, we have a support here, we have a support around this level. That is to tell us that, okay, guys, if you can hear noise there is some construction behind my house here, so you're going to hear the noise. So right now, let's say if price give us a higher highs and a higher lows, higher highs and a higher lows, higher highs and a higher lows. If the next candle did not start pushing up, then we should expect price to drop to this level, just like this, respect it, then give us a support here, then finally start buying. You understand? That is what I'm looking at on the gold market right now. Let's jump to 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame right now. Let's see if we have more key levels. This is the 4 hour time frame on the gold chart right now. So now let's look for more key levels here. Let's look for more key levels if we have cleaner levels, right, that we can look for. Okay, so right now this is a key level here, the resistance key level here, clean one, just like that. I'm going to change the color real quick to, what should I put this color? Let's say purple. No, I'm looking that good. Use this light green. Okay, so light green right now, light green for this and 4 hour time frame. So we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here. Okay, so I'm looking at this key level right now. Okay, so the reason why I'm plotting this key level is, as you can see, we have a resistance here, guys. We have a resistance around this level, and also a resistance around this level. So let's look for more key levels here to see what price will be doing. Since the daily time frame, we'll be expecting price to move to the upside. Now, on the 4-hour time frame right now, what should we be expecting here? If at all on the 4-hour time frame price drop all the way from this key level, pulls back, retest, then you know that price is dropping to this key level before buying. All right. So aside that, if at all on the 4-hour time frame right now, based on the 4-hour perspective, if price should move to the upside, break this key level, pulls back to retest, then just know that gold is heading to the upside based on what we are seeing here on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's jump to our 1-hour time frame right now to see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. So right now, as you guys can see here, what do we have here? We have a resistance zone here, just like this. So right now, as you can see, we have a resistance turn into a support. We have a support here. Then price broke that support, goes back to retest, turn it into a resistance, price drop, resistance, price dropping. Right now, it is resisting around that level. So I'm going to adjust this key level just like this for a clearer look, so that there won't be that big. Do you understand? So because the more you're coming down to a smaller time frame, the more it will start getting bigger. So this key level is going to be yellow, right? So I'm going to leave that key level as yellow there. Okay, and right now let's draw another key level here, as you can see right now. So why did I draw this other key level here right now, guys? You may want to ask. If you notice right now, we have a double bottom here, right? And this is the neckline of the double bottom that price broke in before price start dropping. So I'll be expecting price to open and start dropping to this level. Retest here, then we look for a buying opportunity. If price has taken out that level already, if price pulls back to retest, then we should look for a buying opportunity from here. So I'm going to say I'll be looking for gold to give me this type of movement. Gold should drop to that level, retest, break this level, pulls back just like this, then we expect a buy. So I'm going to clone this key level also, just like this. Then this is a clean key level here. This is a clean key level, so we have a resistance turn to support and also resisting this level. So this is what I'll be expecting on gold. But if at all gold should drop below this key level, break below this key level, which we expect pulls back to retest, right? Then we should expect a long selling opportunity. Do you understand? All the way to this key level before we can say, okay, we can look for buy. So guys, let's jump to Dow Jones real quick. As you can see, let's go to the weekly time frame to see what Dow Jones is currently doing. Based on the bigger time frame, US30 is not looking that beautiful. As you can see, it's not looking that beautiful. It's trying to consolidate here on the weekly time frame. Let's jump to the Let's jump to the daily time frame right now and see. Let's start plotting key levels. So right now, what do we have here? US30 is moving sideways on the daily time frame, so there's no clean direction for this current pair right now. There's no clean direction. Okay. I'm going to have to adjust that so that it won't be very big. So I'm going to change that color to blue. Okay. Then I clone again. So what do we have here? As you can see, guys, so we have a support here, broke. We have a support here, right? Broke it again, turn it into a support again. You understand? So US30 may come to this level, give us a support before moving into the upside. We don't know. All we just need to do is to keep analyzing, keep doing our top-down analysis so that we can find where the market will be giving us an opportunity. Let's go back to that daily time frame. Right, so on that daily time frame right now, I'm going to have to clone again. Just like this. So let's say we have a resistance here, we have a resistance here, and right now look at where that price is currently respecting. Okay, so let's say we have a resistance here, we also have a resistance here, then price is supposed to drop. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's see what price will be doing currently on the Dow Jones. Alright, so we also have a support level here. So it was a resistance, turn into a support, and it is supporting at that key level. So that's going to be like a, okay, we are going to use this green. I don't really like that green color. We use this green, too greeny. I'm thinking we use, okay, no, I don't want to use this color. Okay, let me use this green. Let me use this green, reduce it to 20 like that. Okay, now, so guys, as you can see right now, what do we have here? We have this, we have a high drop, high drop, high drop, high drop. So that's to tell us that US30 may be breaking that level right now. If US30 hit the next candlestick open, it may break this level, pulls back to retest just like this, then and start heading to the upside. So now I'm going to have to draw our trend line to see where and where we should also be paying attention to. So we have the first touch here, extend all the way. Yeah, we have the first touch here. So let's say we have a first touch, second touch here, then third touch here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame since there is no key level here. Okay, so I'm going to make this trend line look more neat and clean. So let's say this is the first touch. We'll have the second one. Let me extend just like this. And after I extend around that level, you can see that this is like a break of trend line, pulls back to retest, telling you that price may be heading to the upside. So we may be looking to buy Dow Jones, anything Monday. You understand? Based on what I am seeing here, we may be looking to buy Dow Jones right now on Monday. So I'm going to change that color to yellow. Yeah, yellow around there. So now let's say if we have another key level here. This is a clean key level here, guys. A clean key level here. So currently now, let me state what I'm expecting right now. So since price has broke this level, push back to retest already, we expect price to push to the upside, push back retest. Then just like this, we start looking for a buying opportunity. But if at all price should continue dropping, you know the drills already. You wait for a break, push back retest, then we look for a selling opportunity. So guys, that is what I'll be expecting in the market this week. And I do not want to analyze currency because I don't think I'll be trading currency. I will only be swinging currency, right? So I guess that's what I'll be doing on currency for now. Swinging currency. I don't like to day trade a low movement pair. Day trading. Do you understand? I want to make my money and get out. So that is what I'll be expecting for the week. Guys, if you love this video, I want you to comment, I want you to like. I also want you to turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop a video. Other than that, guys, peace.